Now we are going to making an experiment on arrays of Java. Here the first question is give a numbers are entered from the keyboard into an array. The number to be searched is entered through the keyboard by the users. Write a Java program to find if the number is to be searched in present in the array and if it is present. If it is present, display the number of times it appears in the array. Now we are going to execute it. Here is the code. Here I taken that scan that is equal to new scanner of system.in, and now I'm taking the integer int number that is equal to new int of 8, because of I'm taking the numbers are 8 numbers. Now I'm gonna print the 8 numbers, and the for loop is int I is equal to 0, that is I is less than number into length dot length, and I plus plus is gonna add. Now the number of I is equal to scan dot next int. Now I'm gonna print enter a number to be searched, and then int search is equal to scan dot next int, and then int count is equal to 0. And now for of int I is equal to 0, that is I is less than number dot length and I plus plus. If number of I is equal to search, that means you're gonna count it. Then if condition is count is equal to 0, then we're gonna print the number is not present, else the number is else condition, then or else then print the number plus search, and the numbers what we are search is present for the count. Now we're gonna execute it. Here I am giving the 8 numbers, that is 1 1 2 2 3 3 3 4. Here I given the 8 numbers, 2 ones, 2 twos, 3 threes, and 1 4. Now I'm gonna check the count of 3. Here you can see that the number of 3 is present for 3 times. Hence the code is successful. Now we're gonna check the second one. The sixth question. Write a program in Java to display all the anagrams in a given character array, and note two words are anagrams if they contain the same characters. Here is the sixth question. Here I given that static boolean are anagrams are character of string 1 and the character string 2. Now I am giving the int n1 is equal to string 1 dot length and int n2 is equal to string 2 dot length. And now the if condition is n1 is not equal to n2, then return false. Now going to the array, I am importing the array and the importing of the collections. So I am giving that arrays dot sort string 1 and arrays dot sort sorting the string 1 and string 2, and then for loop is int I is equal to 0 and I is less than n1, that means I plus plus. Hence if string 1 is not equal to string 2, then it return false or return true. Then return true. Then public static void main of string args are character 1 is J A V A, and the character 2 also I am giving the same one like J A V A, because here the two characters are in the same node. Then it shows characters are in the same node, then it print as if condition the two strings are anagram of each other, or if I changed any letter in this both of any character, then that means I given character 1 is not equal to character 2 means it shows that the two arrays are not anagram of each other. Now I'm gonna execute it. Here here you can see that the two strings are anagram for each other. That means here the both character strings are equal. Now I'm changing one letter like L. In the place of J, I'm changing one letter. Now I'm gonna execute it. Here you can see that the two strings are not anagram of each other because of here the character 1 string 1 is not equal to string 2 because due to here the letter is changing. Hence we satisfied the sixth question. Now we are gonna check the ninth question. Write a Java program to find the common elements between two arrays. Here I am taken for that is the int AI is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 7 and int B is 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here we gonna print in the both A and B arrays how many repeated numbers are there. For that I'm gonna print array to strings of A and the array to strings of B. For the for loop is j is equal to 0 and j is less than b and less than b dot length and j plus plus. If a1 is equal to a2 a of I is if the condition is a of I is equal to b of j, then we're gonna print that common element is plus of a of I. Then now I'm gonna check it. Here you can see the int of a 1 2 3 4 7 and b 4 6 7 8 9. Here the 4 and 7 are common in a and b, so the common element is 4 and the common element is 7. Hence we satisfied the given questions, hence proved. Thank you.